What?
Josh wants you to film it.
Film what?
Aaron saying all this stuff.
What is it? Chocolate cake.
Birthday cake ever.
Not the best burger cake ever.
That's the birthday cake at the birthday party. Hey,
Is that Mama's birthday cake?
cake?
Yeah, we all have cake.
No, also,
Grandma ate all her cake.
You say that's the best birthday cake ever?
birthday cake every friend.
Yeah?
That's probably pretty stuff.
Eat your birthday cake. Put that
Birthday
in.
cake,
There, yeah? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Can you sing? Oh, he's thirsty. He's thirsty, huh?
Yeah.
All gone? Is it all gone? Get him up? More.
No, Aaron.
Aaron,
No playing.
say birthday cake. Give me my birthday cake. It's mine. Mine? It's mine? Mine? Look at this face.
I know what he'll drink.
Is this my birthday cake? More. Oh my God, look. More birthday cake. Say hi. Oh, thank you, Mama. Say thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama Linda.
Birthday cake.
Mama Linda.
Birthday cake. Yeah, cake.
Is it yummy?
Give me some.
Do you need me to clean your hand?
Tome, límpiese la boca. Límpiese la boca. Carajo. Límpiese la mano. Ok, la mano, sí.
Let me help you.
Okay, thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
Do you like the birthday cake? Do you like Mama's birthday cake?
Birthday cake. She knows. She knows.
Really? Yes, I see her.
I want mama.
Yeah, that's
Yes,
right.
we all have birthday cake.
Can you do ojos? Ojitos?
I want mama.
Oh, okay.
That and true. See, you understand that? Eva también. Mama, Dada too.
It's like 4 times now.
Everybody.
That's the birthday cake ever.
The best birthday cake ever. Claro, ya, limpia la mano. Carajo. Is that apple juice? Who did apple juice? Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you.
Let me clean your hand.
Tiene bigote. Tiene bigote. He has a mustache.
Here's a goatee.
A goatee and a mustache. Límpiese la boca. Límpiese la boca, chiquito. Tome. Tome, límpiese la boca. Toda la boca. Límpiese. Ok. Todo. Más. Más.
Duro.
Límpiese la boca. Duro.
Duro.
Duro. Límpiese la boca. ¿Cómo que no habla español usted? Límpiese la boca, chiquito. Chiquito, lindo. Límpiese la boca. Ya. Ya. Límpiese la lengua. La lengua. ¿Para ver la lengua?
Things like that.
¿Esa lengua? ¿Para ver la lengua? No,
Hobo.
That was a red skeleton.
para ver la lengua.
Looks
Aaron?
like red skeleton.
Yeah, baby red skeleton.
Yeah.
Are you a hobo? One, yeah, Eva.
One to Grandma.
One grandma.
And one to Grandpa.
I want to grandpa.
And one to Mama.
One mama.
And one to Pop Daddy.
And one to Aaron.
I got it. I.
What's your name?
I.
What's your name?
Oh my goodness.
He didn't know that you could noise either.
Oh my
I know. Did you hurt yourself?
Aw.
La boca, las manos sucias. Tiene las manos
Oh, he hurt
sucias.
himself in the table.
Oh, tiene las manos sucias.
Okay.
Tiene la cara sucia.
Oh yeah, the fan.
Let go.
¿Usted está haciendo como tía Iva? ¿Ah? I told you she was like her. I told you, Agent, he was like...
Okay. No more.
Okay, what is your name? Aaron? What's my name? Howard. Okay, what's her name? Huh?
Come on.
Her. Yeah, Eva. Him. Who? And her? And you? Aaron. You're Aaron. Aaron Herring. Say Herring. Herring. Can you say? Come on. Come on. Say Herring. You want to touch the camera? Uh-huh. Say twinkle, twinkle, little... No? Yay! Very good. What a good boy. Yeah. See? The whole song. Your apple, yeah, apple juice. What about the other song that says somewhere?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye bye camera. Bye bye camera. See you later. Alligator.